Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. It's Tracy here, and this is my yarn of the week. And if you're not familiar with yarn of the week, these are the yarns that I've chosen to put on a special offer. And I do at least one a week. Don't always take them off again. For instance, I had t-shirt yarn as my yarn of the week, and it's still, the price is still slashed on that because I'm trying to make some room in the yarn van. And so I want to try and blitz that. Now I've sold quite a lot, but there's still some left, and it's still going to be on special offer. So it doesn't mean that once I've got a yarn of the week, once it's off, your chance is gone. It's still valid. So now this one, I'm not sure if I've used this yarn as a yarn of the week before. I may have done, but I love this yarn. It is very, very pretty, and it's exceptional value as well. It's got some absolutely gorgeous colours, and it's Elise. Now this is the, I'm going to put my light on now. Before I do, if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and hopefully you'll be informed when new videos pop up. Also, just wanted to let you know that in my shop, hobbyrocks.co.uk, there is a link in the description box. I also ship worldwide. So this is the Bébé Batik Elise Secarim. This is the label, and it's as colourful as it is pretty, as is the yarn. Now this is a really pretty one. I love this one. Let's have a look and see what it's called. It doesn't give it a name, just 2135, which is a bit of a mistrick because it is pretty. We don't need numbers, do we? 100% acrylic. Now we've got a 100-gram ball, will give you 320 meters or 350 yards. So there's a lot on the ball. And I really like the way these balls are wound. It does look very, very pretty. I love those lilacs and those pink shades with the white. Really, really nice. I like that one. So that's the first one, and it smells like yarn. It's just so pretty. Now I've got a couple of pinks in this. I couldn't make my mind up when I ordered them whether I wanted, oh I've got fibre up my nose, whether I wanted this rosy one, like the warm jammy pink, or whether I wanted this cold crisp pink. So I've got them both. One's a warm pink and one's a cool pink, but this is the warm one. See what I mean about the jammy kind of colour? It does remind me when you had rice pudding as a child and you put jam on it and swirled it round like that. Rippling, raspberry ripple they should have called it, I guess. So anyway, let's have a look. They haven't. They call it number 6319, even with the net light. I struggle sometimes. So that's this one, and it is, oh, really beautiful, really lovely. So obviously one of those centre pulls, and it is, I just love the way these are wound. They're nice and tight and stay in one piece. I've been working with yarn that's wound like Hayfield Spirit, and it took me a long time to realise that it is a centre pull, because otherwise it would just go in knots. Finally, took a while, but I sussed that one. Anyway, these ones are just beautiful as well. Look at this colour. I've got a little colour scheme. Mint green. Oh, doesn't that just make you think of mint chocolate ice cream or minty ice cream? It's just got that crisp, cool freshness about it, and it's so nice the way that colours blend. I really like that, the lights and the darks of it, the way it goes to really pale then to the white. It is absolutely beautiful. Now they do have an illustration on here, but I don't think it's quite right. It's got blue on it, and I don't think there's any blue. You'd see it, wouldn't you? You'd see it. I don't know what that's all about. So it's hardly, I won't kind of dwell on it. I don't think it's really apt. Well, I'm trying to find the colour. It another one of those beautiful names. Where are we? 6317. Astonishingly beautiful, though. I do like that one a lot, as do I like this one, because I do like purples and mauves. But what I really love about this yarn is every single colour does have this dark going into a bit lighter, into a bit lighter, into a bit lighter, until it becomes white. They all have that really beautiful kind of graduation of colour. This one is stunning as well, in the mauves and purples. Number upside down, of course, wouldn't be me if it wasn't, would it? 7254. Now the chances are, when it comes to my website, which is hobbyrocks.co.uk, I may have given them names or may have said lilacs. I might have done. I don't know. I can't remember what I did when I set them up. But the numbers don't really do it justice, do they? And as I said, they're all on special offer. So, you know. Now that brings me to the cool pink. So, yeah, if I get them side by side, you'll see what I mean about the difference. You know what I'm going to say now, don't you? Yarn boobies. But yeah, you've got a warm pink, you've got a cool pink. That's what I kind of mean. Side by side, you can tell the difference to a warm and a cool colour. But this is the other pink. Beautiful colours. Look at that. Beautiful baby pink tones going all the way to white, as did the others. I really, really like this yarn for that. The colour graduation is just unusual, I think. Upside down. I don't plan that, you know. No. 2126 is the colour number. Like I said, it had possibility that I gave it a name or called it cool pink and warm pink. I don't know. But if you are going on the website to get pink, just be a bit mindful that there are two. And one is a warmer colour than the other. Obviously, there's blues. It wouldn't be my website and my channel and my video without blues, would it? You know, I do love a blue. And this one, absolutely no exception. Those beautiful sea blues and, well, it's just gorgeous. Going into lighter colours all the way to white. Stunning. Stunning. And this is number 2130. Lovely. Just lovely. So that's not all though. I did bring a pack to show you how these come. And you don't have to buy the pack, but they do come in packs of 5. So if you wanted one that was completely in its cellophane and intact, it would be 5. And that's how they come. So obviously this is a different one. So I'm going to get one of these out and show you. And this is the rainbow of colours. All of those colours you've seen, but in one gorgeous ball. Isn't that just beautiful? Really, really gorgeous. Oh, I do love rainbows. I love the rainbow colours and the pastels. They do float my boat. This is number 2132. So that is my yarn of the week. All of these absolutely astonishingly beautiful. I'm not going to have a hoping heck chance of holding these because there's 7 balls and I struggle after the 3rd. So it's not really going to happen. But these are the yarn of the week. And so those of you familiar with the yarn of the week, as I said, it will be discounted on my website, which, if you can't remember, is www.hobbyrocks.co.uk. And just be mindful when it comes to the pink There are 3 different ones with pink in, but 2 that are pink and white. Obviously this one's lilac pink and white, but there are the warmer and the cooler pink options, so watch out for those. Those are the yarn of the week. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye for now.